thought she was.
Why are my computer's funny?
No, I'm not.
She was
I didn't know your mom was on housing.
Yeah, when she lived over here.
Who told you that?
Dennis. Hello.
Your mom was on housing?
I don't know what housing is.
Then how,
He's not, he doesn't know.
then how could you tell him no? She's not on housing if you don't know what it is.
Because I just like to say no.
And try to seem cool. Huh.
Yeah.
He just
on
lied to
welfare?
you. He just lied to you. What?
Are you on welfare?
No, I'm. Ask him that.
I'm on well care.
Well, here.
I well care of myself, motherfucker. I work 2 fucking jobs. Gosh.
What did your mom do? Work at St. Vinny's?
No.
No, where
She works at a nursing home.
She still works at just a nursing home?
Yeah.
You said she was a doctor.
She ain't a doctor. She works at a nursing
She used
home.
to. She was a medical exams physician, so she technically was a doctor, but she did it on debt. No, be somewhere. You trying to get with somebody,
Don't be looking at my potatoes. Get out of there! You ain't eating my fucking food. I bought that fucking food for Michael. You want to bring your shit over? Go ahead, bring it over. I'll eat it. Hey, you wasted my food last time, Humpty
No,
Dumpty.
I
The
didn't.
fuck you did,
No.
you fucking shit ass.
Go look
I
outside.
gave you my last fucking food,
No,
and you
no.
fucking threw it away,
No.
bitch. So you're gonna bring me some
was-
food
it
next
was-
time.
it
Fuck
was-
you. Shut up.
It was a prank.
Shut up. It was my food's a prank? I work 2 fucking jobs to take care of my family and have what I want. You want to throw my food in the ground
I
like
ate
a
it.
fucking douchebag?
I ate it.
Ate it what?
It's in my belly now.
Good. Well, I'll shit in your hand. You can eat that too. You fuck me, dude. Hey, Michael, you tell him what happened last night
What happened last
with
night?
Fluffy?
Yeah, I heard you tried eating my dog.
You were trying to do a brat on our dog. We couldn't find her for 2 hours, and she came back yelping.
I
And
was
she said, the little black guy did it. He put it in my butt.
No, I was in Kansas at
Yeah,
the
fuck.
time.
Oh, last night? You were in Kansas last night.
No, yesterday.
You're a fucking liar.
Yesterday.
On the
No,
yellow,
2 days ago.
yellow brick road,
No,
you smoking weed?
that first guy.
You smoke weed?
No,
You better not. Fucking liar.
I could though.
Yeah, you are good. You see how you play football. Don't get your hand near my fucking potatoes, motherfucker. These are valuable.
You put all that in the garbage disposal?
No, I was going to ask you if you wanted to eat it.
No.
Why? Potato
Who
peels.
eats pills?
I do.
Can you fry them?
Yeah, I eat them.
All right, fry them.
You gonna eat them?
Yeah.
You fucking liar. Why do
Oh,
they have to
I
be
eat
fried?
potato peels if you fry
Why
them.
do they have to be fried?
They taste like French fries.
I don't care if fuck. Why you gotta eat them fried? Why can't you eat them like this? Too proud? Get off my fucking nut! Motherfucker touching my big ass ball up there. You thought that was fucking... You thought that was fucking Brad's nut, didn't you?
No.
You want a beer?
No. I don't
don't drink that shit.
Modelo?
Nope, I don't drink that Mexican crap.
What about Vila? Some Vila? You know Vila?
What?
You know what Vila is.
You're fucking what her?
You want some Vila?
You want some Vila?
Vila, the stuff in the cup. The Vila.
Piss?
Young Vila.
You want some Don Vila?
No. Vila.
Vila. You want some?
Vila.
No, we don't do Vila.
You don't do
I
Vila?
don't do Vila.
Vila. Yum,
Yeah,
yum.
you like it?
Yummy in the mouth.
Is it warm sperm or not?
No, it's red. It's red in the cup.
Oh, you sperm in a cup and then you drink it.
No.
No.
Raspberry Vila.
Oh, Oh, so you put raspberry.
Vila.
So how does sperm taste? A little salty?
It tastes like Vila.
It tastes like Vila.
Vila.
And means salt. A lot of salt. I got a fart, man.
You don't want some Vila? Some Vila.
No, I don't do Vila.
Nah, no Vila.
No, I don't do Vila,
Vila.
buddy. That's headache shit. That's for women.
That's
fun?
French, you freaking retard. It's Villa.